Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to Learning Zone channel. இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 4th standard science term 2 unit 3 plants. இந்த லெசனோட brief and detailed question answers தான் பார்க்க போறோம். Answer the following in one or two words. Which is the female part of the plant? Pistil. Write any one of the plant leaf which is used as food. Coriander. Which flower bud is used as spices in food? Cloves. What are the nutrients present in the seeds? Carbohydrates, proteins. Write any one of the flower that blooms in summer. Jasmine. Which part of the leaf collects carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide in the air collects through small pores in the leaves. Which part of the leaf transports water? Water is absorbed by the roots and is passed to the leaves through the tubes. Which part of the leaf helps to trap the sunlight? The green pigment in the leaf helps to trap the sunlight. What is the other name of green plants? Autotrophs. Which plants cannot prepare their own food? Heterotrophs. Answer the following questions briefly. Write the parts of the leaf. The basic parts of the leaf are blade, apex, midrib, veins, petiole, stomata. Define photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their food using chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Write the names of the exotic plants. Sago palm means cycas, traveler's palm, fern, boat lily, crotons, aloe vera. Write the names of any two underground stem plant. Onion, turmeric, sugarcane. Why should we not touch the Parthenium plant? Parthenium plant grows in a new native. The pollen of this plant is allergic in nature. So, we should not touch these plants. What are autotrophs? Plants containing green pigments prepare their own food with the help of them. These green plants are called autotrophs. What are heterotrophs? Plants that lack chlorophyll pigment cannot prepare their food. These plants depend on other organisms for their food and living place. They are called heterotrophs. What are seasons? The change in climate that occurs periodically is called season. There are 4 general seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Answer the following questions in detail. Mark any 4 parts and describe the parts of a leaf. Draw this leaf. The parts of the leaf is apex, veins, midrib, blade, petiole. Blade, the broad flat part of the leaf. Apex, the tip of the leaf. Midrib, the midrib runs along the center of the leaf. Veins, veins are branched out from the midrib. They are framework of hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. Petiole, this part joins the leaf to the main stem. Draw a diagram of a flower and explain the parts of a flower. Draw this flower. The parts of the flower is stalk, sepal, petal, stamen and pistil. Sepal. Sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it is still a bud. Sepals are usually green in color. Petal. Petals are often bright colored. Their main job is to attract insects such as bees or butterflies to the flower. The insects help the flowers in the transfer of pollen grains. Stamen. Stamen can be seen at the center of a flower. They contain pollen grains that help the plants to multiply. It is the male part of a flower. Pistil. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower. The pistil uses the pollen to help the flower become the fruit. It is the female part of a flower. Explain flowering and non-flowering plants. Flower is the most important part of many plants because it is involved in reproduction. But some of the plants are not having flower. Based on this, plants can be classified into two types: flowering plants, non-flowering plants. Flowering plants. Plants bearing flowers are called flowering plants. It reproduces by sex cells or gametes and produce seeds. Seeds produce new plants. Example: mango, neem, groundnut, paddy, etc. Non-flowering plants. Plants without flower that can reproduce are called non-flowering plants. These plants do not produce seeds. They produce by a special structure called spores. Example: algae, fungi, ferns. Explain the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their food using chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. This process is organized within the plants. Water. Water is absorbed by the roots and is passed to the leaves through the tubes. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in the air passes through small pores in the leaves. Sunlight. A green pigment in the leaves helps them to trap sunlight. This pigment is called chlorophyll. Most leaves are green in color because of this green pigment. Through photosynthesis, plants produce the food and release oxygen into the air. Water and carbon dioxide gives food and oxygen using sunlight and chlorophyll. Draw the following. Draw and label the parts of a leaf. Draw this leaf. The parts of the leaf is apex, veins, midrib, blade and petiole. Draw and label the parts of flower. Draw this flower. The parts of the flower is stalk, sepal, petal, stamen and pistil. Draw and label the parts of stomata. Draw and label this diagram. This is stomata, opened stomata. This is open stomata. This is closed stomata. Okay. Thank you, students.